Well, I'm back after a little break trying to figure out what the heck to do. So I'm gonna redo this entire video that I spent 40 minutes straight on just screaming and shaking and tapping pens and everything, and I'm gonna get straight to the point. So late last year, 2021, I think it was October, I had bought this little guy, which is actually a Razr 5G. What happened with it was that like a week after I had got it, because I had bought it through T-Mobile, I had noticed that it started to click. I actually do it right now. So I noticed it started clicking a week after I had it. Like if I had brought it just to 90 degrees, a little bit further, and usually it was like 90 degrees, and make a clicking sound. So I was like, something ain't right. So I looked online, just out of curiosity, see if other people had the same issue. Turns out they did, and usually on like the Motorola forums and whatever, they just said to just, send it in through the warranty. And that's exactly what I did. So on a Sunday, I went online to their little website. It was actually a pretty good website. I had set it up on Sunday for the warranty claim, and it was pretty smooth. The website, oh my goodness, the internet, no. So it was a Sunday. I was like, I'm gonna see if they have one of these options for like flip issues in the warranty system. So that Sunday I went in, signed into my Motorola account, selected my device, which is already registered. You can even see here, it even says it's in warranty. And on the website, there was actually a section for the flip issues, like it was specific for this device. Like if we go to functions and buttons, I guess, doesn't look like it's in there. Physical, no, it's not here either. Others, there we go. Yeah, right there. Flip issues. They actually had that option in the warranty claim system, so I clicked that. I did it that Sunday. A few hours later, automated system actually approved it, I think, or something approved it. And that very same day, I actually got a FedEx overnight label. So I actually took it over there, had it shipped out. That Monday, it had left the place I dropped it off at because I had already missed the pickup time for that FedEx place I went to. Then it had delivered, or attempted to deliver on that Tuesday, but there was a failed delivery. I think it was a facility in Texas. I guess nobody was there to get it. They tried again that Wednesday. And then they had updated it in the system that they had got it on the Motorola side, where you can like enter in the claim number and whatever. And it was about a week, something like that, a few days. I think it was towards like that following Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, that they had shipped it out. And I had got it that Wednesday or Thursday. When I had got it back, it was actually fixed. If I can find a clip of when I was screaming and happy and all that stuff, I'll play it right now, but if not, Does it still click? Oh yeah. Oh my god, they fixed it! Oh my goodness! I was really happy because they had actually fixed it. But there was a little oopsie with the plastic trim up here. Just a faint bit of missing finish. You can't really see it, but I can tell they had it flat, suction cup maybe, got a little card in there, pulled the screen out to get in there to fix whatever they had to do. But it was fixed. It didn't click no more, but a week later, maybe a week and a half, it started clicking again, but I was like, whatever, it's cosmetic. But my point is that the warranty system worked, as it should. Foldables are weird, they're quirky, they have the little issues like what mine did, but it's just purely cosmetic, honestly. That's why I didn't want to send it back again, even if it does make a little noise when I open it up. It's not a big deal, still works. This thing is just something else, just like the Z Fold. Both the Fold and the Flip, they're amazing. But with those, there is that concern about how they have the fatigue cracks. After a while, some of them, they have like on the right where it folds, it's like it shatters, but it's hard to tell if that's just because how much you use it, if it's just the material isn't able to hold up. I honestly don't know. I don't want to say specifically what it is because I don't know, but I know that's an issue with most of the folds and flips with the ultra thin glass. That started with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G and the original Galaxy Z Flip. They both had ultra thin glass. The original Samsung Galaxy Fold, I believe that was from 2019 February, if I'm correct. That was unveiled in the Samsung Unpacked with the S10. It was the first to be revealed. S10 came second in the event. That one didn't have ultra thin glass. It was most likely a plastic layers. But I know with that one it had issues with the debris getting underneath the screen. But they were able to fix that with little T-shaped pieces on the sides, or the top and bottom in that case. Point is, they have a warranty system too. If you've ever watched Mr. Mobile's videos, you might have seen his content on the Z Fold 2. He had one, and that one actually had the fatigue cracking, but he was able to take that to a UPS store. They got it shipped out. He got it back. It was all fixed up. And just like that, warranty system, you know. If you want to get a foldable and you're scared that it might, you know, if something might go wrong, something that's outside of your control, if it has a warranty, you buy it new from like a Carrier, a Best Buy, other retailers. Don't worry about it. You'll be fine. Just like this one, you know, it clicked, but even something cosmetic like that, they were more than willing to help fix it, and they did. But in my case, it came back, but it doesn't affect functionality, but it's all right. Yeah, warranty systems are great. Use them. The upcoming Razr, the 3rd generation. If I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to feel about it. That distinctive chin design and, you know, the overall Razr look is just not there anymore. It kind of reminds me of the Z Flip 3, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I like the design of the Z Flip 3 too, but I'm gonna miss that, you know, distinctive design that they had kept going with the Razr. You know, if they're gonna take the Razr look out of it, I wonder if they might call it something else at that point. But, you know, I'm rambling again. But yeah, you know, if you want a foldable, get one. If you want any other phone, get one. You know, warranties exist. Usually it's 1 year. You might get something like an LG and they might have, you know, a 2nd year promise. I had got one for this. It's been a year now since I had it. This warranty is going to go for 1 more because I had extended it. They approved it. That's all I wanted to say before I turn this into a 40-something minute rant. I'm kind of curious. I wonder how many people actually watched that other one. Motorola Razr 5G, my warranty, repair experience, and other ramblings. 40 minutes, 59 seconds. And for the... Let's see. For the 52 people who watched the entire thing, I am so sorry for wasting your time. But, you know, I'm going to try to get this in like 5 minutes. Did pretty good, though. Supposedly it got me 3 subscribers, but, you know, that was pretty nice. Speaking of which, I can't believe I actually have 66 subscribers. That's like last time I uploaded something, I was like under 50, I think. But that's interesting. Well, I guess that's it. You can leave now, but I'm just gonna look at other stuff while I'm still here, in case y'all want to see it. My OnePlus Nord N200 5G video was pretty good, 7.2 thousand views. That was actually my first real piece of content. So that's why I'm actually here at the desk again, because I'm thinking this is a better kind of setup. I got an overhead mic right here, iPhone 12 Pro Max right there. It's actually running the Mavis app, I think. I think that's what it was called, Mavis, Atomos or whatever. Played with the Tab S7. Oops, got an iPad Pro now. I'll be honest, Android on tablets is... I tried it. It was okay, but it wasn't really, you know, butter. It was kind of jank. I don't know. I don't want to get into it too much. Then I got a Switch OLED, did a little unboxing with that. That's why I'm recording now, actually, because I recorded so late it started getting dark. So that was a no-no, because it started getting noisy. And then I had unboxed the MacBook Pro that I had got. People didn't like it, supposedly. I'll probably delist it in a few weeks. Then I got bored, started, oh, it's not here. I started playing with the camera. It was a Gcam port I had put on my 8 Pro. That was nice. I think what I want to do next is, you might see it here. It is an Apple AirPort Extreme AC. I love that thing so much. I had actually replaced some D-Link thing that I had. It was so old. It's so funny because that thing came out at the same time as the AirPort Extreme AC. I think it's the A1521 if I recall correctly. I bought another one like a few days later. I was like, I loved it so much I bought two. Now it's doing a wireless backhaul to another one that's in the living room, which is connected to a T-Mobile Nokia 5G 21. I'll have another video about that in the future probably. Actually, we had switched from Comcast to T-Mobile's 5G broadband. It's pretty good, but I'm rambling again. Simply put, trust your warranties. They will fix it. 2, I have a video coming up about the Airport Extreme AC. It might be a 30-minute thing. I'm just going to start screaming on and on about how much I love it and networking and crap, featuring the T-Mobile broadband. And other than that, I might be back in a few weeks. But yeah, have a great rest of your day.